LeetCode problem named as Roman to integer. It is LeetCode 13 problem, and let's see how we can solve it. Okay, so it's a very easy problem. We are given some symbol and its value as like I is 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D as 500, and at last M is equal to 1000. So these are some symbolic value of Roman numbers, and its numeric. These are the numeric value of its. Okay. So let's see this first example as S is equal to triple I, and as we know, triple I means 3 in number. Okay. The second example is LV triple I, and its numeric value is 50. So we are getting some connection, like here L is equal to 50. We can say, and V is equal to 5, and triple I is equal to 3. So 55 and 3 is 58, as here it is our answer. So let's see how we can go and first iterate on this. Okay, so I'm drawing here, you can see. So L basically we know first row. Wait, I am adding these O's. These are the symbols. Okay, so here we have L is equal to 50. Here you can see L is equal to 50. The next thing is we have V, and V the value as 5. Okay, so V as 5. The last one is triple I. So we know I is equal to 1 here. One more I, second I is equal to again 1, and the last I third, which is again 1. So triple I. So here we have triple I. Okay, so triple I, 3 ones. So after adding all this, look, 50 plus V is equal to 5 na, 5, and this triple I 1 plus 1 plus oh, oh, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is coming as 3, and we are getting our answer as 58. Okay, so how we can solve this? So we are getting one connection as if we iterate through these characters. Okay, so we can comes at the end as we have our answer. Okay, so is it applicable for every example? Let's see. Let's consider one example x l xl. Okay, so as we know, x is 10. Okay, and l l as 50. Is it our answer? 10 plus 50 as 60. Oh shit, it is not our problem. It is not our answer, because XL in number it is 40. So it is not our answer. So here when we see this example, here we saw L and then V, means L is greater number which is as 50, and V is smaller number which is as 5. So we are getting one point as L, which is the greater number, and the right side value is 5, which is V. So V is smaller than L. So again see here one condition, V which is greater number and I is 1, which is a smaller number. So we are getting one point, when the left side value is greater than the right side value, we are simply considering all these and iterating and adding this. Okay, here, but in this condition here we are getting the left value is smaller than the right value. Here you can see x is 10, the left value, and the right value L, which is 50, which is greater than x. So in this condition, in this things, we have to add one condition. What is the condition? So this comes and this ends with the one single number. So how we can do that? L, which is the larger value, from that we have to subtract the left value, which is the smaller x. So we are ending with 40, and it is our actual answer. Let's see one thing. IB, which is 4, how we can add this? V, which is the right value, right character, V, and its value is 5, and the left character I, its value is 1. So in this condition, we saw left value is smaller than the right value. We can do one thing. We can simply minus the right from right, the left character. The right value is 5, and right character is left character is 4. Sorry, left character is 1, and we comes with our answer as 4, and which is our answer. So how we can write in code? Let's see. Okay, we need one size. So n is equal to s dot size. Simply, another thing, we will add this in unordered map. So let's create one unordered map. Unordered map char comma int mp, which is holding one character as I, b, x, l, c, d, m, and the integer which is as 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. Okay, simply insert all these. So mp dot insert, uh, insert this pair, and don't forget the symbols are in capital letter. Okay, so character I, its value is 1. Okay, similarly we can do all v, x, l, c, d, m. Okay, so character v has value 5, character x has value 10. Okay, character l has value 50, char c has value 100, char d has value 500, and the last m has value 1000. Okay, okay. So as we saw, if we iterate and if we add all these symbols, so we are ending at our answer. But there is a one specific condition we have to write. Let's see how we can do. So first we will iterate I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Simply create one answer or result variable. Let's create one answer variable which has 0 in initially. Okay, so we can simply do answer plus equal to s mp of s of I, the character which s of I holding, it's a numeric value. We can add this simply. Okay, if the character holding I carries I, so simply s of I means s of mp of s of I means 1. Okay, if the character is v, so mp of v means 5. So answer plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Simply here I am writing, if the character s of I is equal to v, then simply it will do answer plus mp of s of I means 5. So answer plus 5. Okay, simply the next write the condition. What is the condition? Condition is simply when left is smaller than right character, that time we are writing one condition. If mp of s of I, okay, that value is less than mp of s of I plus 1, which is like x here considered as x here considered as l. Okay, in that time we are simply subtracting. What we are doing, we are subtracting. So as do mp of s of I, mp of s of I from answer. Okay, if it is added into answer, then subtract. Okay, but the thing is, here in next term, like here already we have added, in the start we have added this number, like if the x we found here in I is equal to x we found here, so we are adding this point, so we have to remove this one also because it is coming with one extra. So do one more thing, simply plus mp of s of mp of s s of I. Okay, two times we are deleting or we are subtracting. Why? Because in start we are adding one time, and the second time we are doing because it is our condition. When we have like some character xl, where x is the left side value and l is the right side value, here x is small and right is greater than, in that condition we are simply minus subtracting l from l the x. Okay, so this is one time, and for the second time why we are doing, because at start we have already added. Okay, and at last we comes with our answer. Okay, so simply do okay wait, return answer, comment all this. Okay, remove this. Okay, let's see is it okay or not. And one we forget one more thing, we are doing I plus 1 na, we are doing I plus 1, so we have to write one condition that when it's come into I is equal to n minus 1, that time we cannot go for I plus 1. Okay, because it comes it's in with out of bound, so I plus 1 always less than n. Okay, yeah, it's okay, it's fine, let's submit. Yeah, done. So okay guys, we will see into the next video.